Okay, so what do we need to do to get started with the barcode part? We have to add this library as well. So first of all, implement the barcode scanning library. Here we go. Um, uh, so in my build.gradle file there, implement the barcode scanning here. Constantly out is something I'm not even using in my project right now, I think. Yeah, whatever. So there we go. Implement barcode scanning. Let's refresh this once. Then I would need so there are two ways of doing this. So there is one which uses on device model. This increases the size of your apk by 2 MB. The other one uses Google Play Services models, which downloads the models from Play Store when your app is installed at that time. It does not directly increase the app size, but the models will of course still be downloaded. This one is, I think, there's a little bit of comparison given there, as you can see. So as per the comparison, uh, so performance of the bundled one is faster and more accurate. So I think I would prefer this. It increases the app size a bit, but that's fine. Okay, so we'll use the bundled one. So if you want to use the bundled one, you use this implementation, the barcode scanning one. So using the barcode scanning one, that's the one I have done. So yeah, now once that is there, what we'll have in a barcode analyzer is I can get started with the get instance of barcode analyzer. So I will do barcode scanning dot get client. So in the barcode analyzer, well, scanner equal to barcode scanner, what's it, barcode scanning dot get client. Okay, barcode scanning dot get client. Okay, so get the scanner. As you get the scanner, what we can do here is scanner dot process. So in scanner dot process, I can pass the image. I will pass the image here. Fantastic. When you do that, we need a add on success listener and add on failure listener. So nice, I will do that. So so it'll be image dot input images. Yeah, this one. How do I convert it into image? I'll have to check that one here. So with media.image, what I need to do is image proxy, then input image dot from media image. Okay, so I have to do something like this. Input image equal to input image dot from media image, and I have to pass image dot get image, and I'll have to pass so yeah, let me do like this. Image dot get image. So there's an image inside it. Let me just change this to image proxy. So image proxy dot image dot let. Okay, so apparently this is experimental, so I can add a experimental annotation here which says unsafe experimental stuff, because this image is right now experimental in nature. So image proxy dot image, we get that internal image there, and if that image is available, then we'll do val media image, well, input image equal to input image dot from media image this it, comma, and I think the second option is the rotation in degrees I have to pass. So that is available also, I think, here. Yeah, that's available here. Okay, so pretty cool. From media image it, image proxy, and that's it. Yeah, so I've created my input image. Then I will do scanner dot process. um, this I will pass the input image here. Great. Then I will do is add on success listener and add on all that stuff. So I'll do is add on success listener, and add on, I think, what's the other thing that we need to do? Failure. Okay, so add on failure listener, another one that we need to do. Okay, so looks pretty cool. So only thing is that the on failure listener. Okay, right. So there's a success of whatever it has gotten. So it will get a list of barcodes. Okay, so val barcodes equal to it, right? So with these barcodes, if I want to do something like yeah, or I can do simply like it dot for each barcode. I'm gonna do log dot d barcode, and the detected barcode would be so let me just print this message in a better format like this. So format equal to sorry, barcode dot format. Apart from that, what other thing do we get? Barcode dot okay, so we get, like, I think email and geopoint and a lot of these things. So barcode dot, there should be some string value or something like that as well. So just get the barcode dot raw value. Okay, so I'll print the format and the barcode as it gets printed from there. Fine. um, yeah, looks good. When it fails, I will just do a log dot e here, barcode detection failed. When detection is failed, then you pass the error here in add on. So in either case, whenever it is completed, I will close the image. So it will be the image proxy basically. So image proxy dot close in that case. And if image proxy it was not able to find out, in that case also we will do the same thing. Okay, so so this close will make sure that once my image processing is done, then the next image will come into my barcode analyzer here. Okay, so great. Now cool. I think we have pretty much a place to get started with. So this should get triggered for every time you know the app is starting to run. So let me do is while that happens, sample QR code. Let me open a sample QR code. Okay, so here are some sample QR codes, right? So I will open one of these in my frame and see if it's able to recognize that or not, right? So yeah, I think did we have the phone screen open somewhere? Yeah, so I'll just open this, right? I'll take this up here so that I can read some barcodes. Open barcode activity. and hold it in front of the barcode. Start scanner. So it is held in front of the barcodes and the scanner is running. Let's see if we got any detection hits here or not. So logcat. So apparently we did we get any barcodes here, right? That's the thing. Yeah, so we got 256 barcode hello world. That's gotten printed here every time we're getting those. So barcodes are getting printed. Okay. So let's clear these. Let's see some other barcodes. Let's see these barcodes. Okay. Did it detect anything? Let's see. Okay, internationalbarcodes.com. So some other barcode is detected now here. Okay, fantastic. Like I think barcode detection at a basic level, it's working. We of course had to add like lots of other information to it. To start actually utilizing this, like show a dialog box, this is the barcode data that it has been fetched and all of that stuff. So we'll do that. Okay, we will do that slowly and we will understand that. Okay, we'll come back to this and we will do that. Okay, because let's take up the other things here. So where did we go? Yeah, so we have got barcode scanning, we got face detection, and I have a face here, right? And we have got image labeling. So we have got stuff around. We have a camera and all these stuff, mic and laptop on my desk, so we can do some image labeling. We can do object detection and tracking and text recognition and digital link. So let's try and do all of these things one by one, like little, and then we'll come back and see how we can put them all together in a finished app kind of format. Okay, so in future videos.